Are you looking for the best bottom-loading water dispensers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best bottom-loading water dispensers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Myvision 2-pack electric 5-gallon water dispenser. The Myvision electric water pump is designed for convenience and safety. It comes with a 2-year replacement guarantee, so if it stops working, you can easily get a new one without returning the old pump. The silicone hose is made from food-grade materials, ensuring your drinking water stays safe. The pump fits most 3 to 5 gallon water bottles and includes a silicone lid to help it fit securely on different bottle sizes. With a 1200 mAh battery, you can pump water quietly and quickly for several bottles after a full charge. This makes it a great choice for home or office use. What we like: easy to use, long battery life, reduces lifting heavy bottles, fits multiple jug sizes, simple installation. Number 2. Beyio electric water dispenser. The Beyio water pump is designed for convenience and safety. Made from high-quality, food-grade materials, it ensures that you can drink clean water without worry. The powerful built-in pump can quickly dispense 1.5 liters of water in just 1 minute, making it ideal for busy moments. With a rechargeable battery that lasts for 30 to 40 days, there's no need for daily charging, giving you one less thing to think about. Plus, its one-button operation simplifies the process, allowing you to easily enjoy fresh water with just a press of a button. What we like: long battery life, easy to use, good water flow, durable material, portable design. Number 3. eSeedy Rechargeable Water Pump. The eSeedy Rechargeable Water Pump is a great choice for anyone looking for a convenient and efficient way to dispense water from a 5-gallon bottle. Made with food-grade materials, it features a 1-button operation, a rechargeable battery, and a 4W strong motor for fast pumping. It's easy to install and can be used in the home, kitchen, living room, office, or even while camping. Customers are pleased with its performance and convenience. What we like: long-lasting battery life, easy USB charging, consistent water flow, simple installation, good value for price. Number 4. DATADAGO 5-gallon water dispenser. The DATADAGO 5-gallon water dispenser is a great choice for those looking for a convenient and portable water dispenser. It features a rechargeable battery that can be used for 30 to 40 days or around 4 to 5 bottles of 5-gallon water once full charged. It is compatible with 2 to 6 gallon bottles and has a 3.8W strong pump for fast water pumping. It is also BPA-free, no toxic, and no smell. Customers have found it to be reliable and easy to use. What we like: easy to use, rechargeable battery, portable and travel-friendly, reduces plastic bottle waste, simple setup. Number 5. Blackmatrix Drinking Water Dispenser Pump. The Blackmatrix Drinking Water Dispenser Pump is a great addition to any home, kitchen, office, or camping trip. It is made of high-quality, durable materials, is food-grade, and is kid-friendly. It is compatible with all 1 to 6 gallon bottle caps and is easy to use with 2 switch control options. The built-in MSDS-certified 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery is rechargeable and can be used for up to 20 days after a full charge. It is also portable and wireless, making it ideal for any situation. What we like: easy to use, convenient water dispensing, long battery life, portable design, sturdy and stable.